Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the background picture display or change the sim display on your Roku streaming stick plus. Okay, as you can see on the TV screen now, I already changed with this picture, and for the original one it will have the theme, the blue screen, so it will look like this. So if you want to change the background or the theme display on your Roku streaming stick, just go to the setting here and then press the right button and you will see the sim. Just select on it, press OK, and now you will see the word wallpaper. Just select on it, and then you can decide or choose which theme or wallpaper that you want to choose and make change to your TV. For example, this one, and all of this is already installed into the TV stream, and you can see the tick 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 here, and for the below one there is nothing installed yet, so I like this one. So if you like another one, just press OK on it and then just select get wallpaper, and now it's getting the theme or wallpaper and adding to your TV. And one more thing, you need to press set as wallpaper, select, and now you can see all the theme and wallpaper is changing to the one we select, and we just press back. Okay, and if you want to change to the original one, just do the same thing, go to the same one and select the original one and set wallpaper, and now it get back to the blue one. Another option, for example, if you just want to see how it will change, and just select OK on it, and you can see the view screenshot. So it's just a preview for you how it will change to your TV stick, and you can press the right button to see all the display. Okay, and that's it. That is how you can change the theme or wallpaper to your Roku streaming stick plus device. And now let me say goodbye and thank for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.